Hello and Merry Christmas to those of you in the US. I wanted to introduce you to a 2022 planning template that I built today and I'd like to share with you. Here we have some examples broken up into day, week, month, and quarter. And so if you come into the example day, it just has your um, habits, a one-line journal, a toggle that I'll turn into daily. And so I want to say today was today was awesome, right? Awesome. And then as you make this your own, you can connect it up to a task and notes database if you would like. I have those down here as well as a block schedule. You can add a photo if you want. So that's the day. And then what's nice about this, you can come into the week um, and it should give you a rundown of your past week filtered by the last 7 days. And so you can kind of get over a sense of how the past week has gone. You can even review how your habits went that week based on how many times that week you got that habit finished. And so it's just a very minimalist setup. And then with the month and quarter, you're just looking at your higher level aspirations. For me, success looks like A, B, and C. I will accomplish my goals by focusing on and doing. Credit should go to Sean Blanc and the Sweet Setup. They have a wonderful 2022 digital planner for the iPad. And I thought I would set up something similar here in Notion. So I'm looking forward to using this. Let me know what you think, if you'd like to add anything or if you have any questions. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much.